What's up, guys? I got these new EV900 Eachine FPV goggles. They're a little different in terms of design and actually quality than some of the other ones we've seen. Some things to talk about right off the bat that you're going to want to know. This is a true diversity antenna, which is really nice. It also has a mini HDMI port for in and out, which is really cool. Obviously, you can search for your band or you can do it automatically. Now, the thing that we don't like about them is the fit, right? So right off the bat, they don't fit super well in terms of being able to see the screen because it actually projects up here and is reflected down here. So when I see it, it actually has to be out a little bit, otherwise it just doesn't work. So something to keep in mind. I'm hoping that Eachine does right and fixes that design. Probably needs a little bit of padding here in order to push it up so that you can both see it and view it comfortably. Otherwise, you know what, the picture is actually really quite crisp and it's a nice pair of goggles. Kind of a shame that someone didn't figure out the way that they fit is incorrect. So we'll fly the QX90C with C Pro with these, and you can check that out.